Saying I think too often makes you sound unsure and repetitive. Here are powerful alternatives that will instantly make you sound more confident, professional, and fluent. These phrases make you sound strong and decisive. Use them when you are sure about something. I firmly believe expresses strong, unwavering belief. I firmly believe practice is the key to fluency. I'm convinced that shows certainty based on evidence or reasoning. I convinced that this strategy will succeed without a doubt. Completely eliminates uncertainty. Without a doubt, this is the best solution for our problem. Use this when you want to show careful reasoning. From my perspective, highlights that this is your viewpoint, not a random thought. From my perspective, teamwork leads to better results. As far as I understand, shows that your statement based on the knowledge you currently have. As far as I understand, this method has been tested before. To the best of my knowledge indicates that your statement is based on the most accurate information you have. To the best of my knowledge, the meeting is scheduled for 3 p.m. These phrases sound polished and businesslike. It appears that a neutral and professional way to express an observation. It appears that sales have increased this quarter. The evidence suggests that indicates that your statement is based on facts or research. The evidence suggests that a healthy diet improves mental clarity. I have concluded that shows that you have analyzed the situation before forming an opinion. After reviewing the data, I have concluded that we need a new marketing strategy. Use these when you want to sound respectful and avoid sounding too aggressive. It's my understanding that softens your statement to sound more diplomatic. It's my understanding that the deadline has been extended. I tend to believe that suggests your belief while leaving room for discussion. I tend to believe that creativity is just as important as logic in problem solving. If I may offer my perspective, a polite way to introduce your opinion. If I may offer my perspective, I believe this approach is more effective. Use this to influence others and make your argument stronger. There is no doubt that a forceful way to express certainty. There is no doubt that learning English opens up career opportunities. I have every reason to believe. Shows that your belief is based on strong evidence. I have every reason to believe investment will be profitable. One could argue that a strategy way to present argument without making it personal. One could argue that remote work increases productivity. Wrong. I think this report is important. Right. This report holds great importance. Wrong. I think we should wait. Right. It would be wise to wait. Wrong. He is lying. Right. I have every reason to believe he is dishonest. Wrong. I think this plan will work. Right. This evidence suggests that this plan will work. Drop I think. Start using these powerful alternatives to sound more fluent and persuasive. Like, share, and subscribe for more game changing English tips. Thank you.